Hello everyone, and welcome to this video. So in this video, we're going to run a scan on a machine using Nessus. So we are going to be checking for vulnerabilities and any issues that may be on a host on our network. So let's get through that. I'm going to use Nessus. As you can see, I already have the Nessus portal open, and these are some of the scans that I was running previously. But let's get through that. So the first thing that I'm going to do is that I'm going to create a folder that we're going to use to save the scans that we'll run. So I'm going to create a new folder and I'm going to call that we can call it uh, Windows machines. Then click on create, and so as you can see that on the left side there's a folder called Windows machine. The next thing we're going to do is that we're going to create a new scan. We're going to create a template of a scan that will be running over and over again. So I've clicked on new scan, and these are the various scans that we can run. We can check for malware scans, we can do a credential patch audit, we can do an application test. So what I'm going to do for this machine, I'm going to do a basic network scan. So I'm going to call this Windows network scan. Or I can even give it the name of the Windows machine. But for now, I can just give it Windows network scan. So description, I'm going to leave that blank. Uh, I'm going to save it in this folder called Windows machines, and the target, I'm going to put an IP address of that. So over here, I can put a range, or I can put a single host IP address. But I'm going to put a single IP address. So the IP address for that will be 192.168.0.138, right? And over here, you can check for credentials. So this is when I'm trying to when you're trying to elevate the privileges when you're running that scan, you can come over here and put the SSH of the Windows. So I'm not going to need that for now. And these are the various plugins that are going to run on that machine, on that scan when you run it. So I'm going to back to settings, and I think for me everything looks okay, and I'm going to click on save. So after saving, I'm going to go back to my Windows machine, and I'm going to click on this little icon over here. So I'm going to click on launch, and I'm going to let that scan run. So as you can see, the scan is running, and I'm going to leave that to run, and we'll get back to it when it's complete.